Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the offline class. Last class we have discussed introduction to Euclid's geometry chapter. Second, in that exercise 2.1 up to I solved three problems. Now take the fourth problem. In that what they are given. If a point C lies between two points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, they only given what they are given, A and AC is equal to BC, and also the 2 points AB. Then prove that AC is equal to 1 by 2 AB. Here you have to prove AC is equal to 1 by 2 AB. Explain by drawing the figure. Here they are not given anything, just they are given proof. If a point C lies between two points A and B, draw the diagram. If a point C lies between AB, draw the line, straight line. AB is the point, C is the midpoint of AB. Okay, write down given what they are given. AC is equal to BC. Okay, write down given AC is equal to BC. Proof what they are saying here. To prove AC is equal to 1 by 2 AB. And write down here what we did, point C. Here say C lies between A and B. Write down C lies between 2 points A and B are AB. Okay, to prove what we have to prove, that they only given AC is equal to 1 by 2 into AB. Okay, prove. Next line, prove. Prove after prove. Consider this diagram. Here AC is equal to BC. Whatever they are given, that taken and you have to solve. Consider AC is equal to BC. Put equation 1. Here adding, next line, adding AC on both sides on equation 1. In that equation you have to add AC. Means here AC already is there. Add AC means AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. You will get AC plus AC. It will be 2 AC is equal to BC plus AC. Okay. Next here BC plus AC coincides with AB. Here see in this diagram, here BC and AC, it is a straight line on AB. That you have to write here BC plus AC coincides with AB. In this ABC diagram, here C is the midpoint and also AC and BC are the coincide with AB. Okay, write down. Therefore, BC plus AC is equal to AB. Put equation 2. Okay, next last, from equation 1 and to consider equation 1 and 2, you will get AC plus AC is equal to AB. Here AC plus AC you know already, 2 AC is equal to AB. And here I need here AC means AC is equal to, here into is there means here will be divide 1 by 2 AB. It is the proof. AC is equal to 1 by 2 AB. Okay. And next, fifth question. In question 4, here question 4, whatever they are given, next point C is called the midpoint of the line segment of AB. Here draw same diagram. Here C is the midpoint of AB. Take the fourth question. Midpoint line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Here they are saying in this line segment only one is the midpoint. You have to prove. Okay, write down fifth one. Take the same diagram. Let what they are given, first you have to write given. Here they are saying C is the midpoint, but I will take another one, but you have to prove only one midpoint of straight line. Given, let two midpoints. Here what they are given, first you have to write. Here see AB is a straight line midpoint will be C and D. Write down C and D are the midpoints of AB. Next, C is the midpoint of AB. We have to find C is the only midpoint of AB. Okay. Next, write down to prove. What we have to prove? Write down prove. To prove every line segment, they are given in words, right, like that only. Every line segment has one and only one midpoint. We have to find every line segment has only one midpoint. Next, write down proof. Let us assume in this diagram what they are given. It is AB is a straight line. Here C and D are the midpoint, but to prove the only one point or only one line segment has midpoint of AB, you have to prove. Right now D is a midpoint of D, also midpoint of AB. Okay. Next, you have to write here what. Write down in sentence AD is equal to BB. You have to write it will be equation 1. Keep it equation 1. But C is the midpoint of AB. You know already C is the midpoint of AB and also D also midpoint of AB. For D, AD is equal to BD. For C, AC is equal to CB. Keep it equation 2. See here for D, but if D midpoint is there means it will be AD is equal to BD or DB. If C is the midpoint is there means AC is equal to BC or CB. Subtracting, here subtract the equations. Equation 1 and equation 2. Here subtract the equation 1 and 2, you will get here AC minus AD and CB minus DB. Means AC minus AD is equal to CB minus DB or BD. Okay. Here you will get D. I will write here DC is equal to minus DC. Okay, you have to add DC. If minus is there, it will be plus. DC plus DC is equal to 0. 2 DC is equal to 0. You will get DC is equal to 0. 2 is multiplied 0. You will get 0. DC will be 0. And C and D are coincides. Therefore, C and D are coincides. Last line. Write down every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Prove what we have proved. Every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Okay. Next problem. Here 6 what they are given in that here figure they are given 2.10. If AC is equal to BD, in this diagram figure 2.10, they are page number 36, they are given 6 problem. Diagram you have to see. If AC is equal to total AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD. Take the diagram what they are given, like that only you have to draw. A, B and also midpoint they are given B and C. B and C. Here AD is a straight line, B and C are the midpoints of AD. Madam, given from the figure what they are, from the figure write AC is equal to, here I need AC means you have to write AB plus BC. And BD is equal to BC plus CD. From the figure we have taken AC is equal to AB plus BC. For the BD you have to take BC plus CD. Okay, next given. What they are given in the problem? Here AC is equal to BD. Or DB. To prove what we have to prove, madam? To prove here AB is equal to CD. You have to prove here AB is equal to CD. In this straight line, you have to prove AB is equal to CD. Proof, madam. Proof AB plus, take AC for AC, AB plus BC is equal to BC plus CD. Keep it equation 1. Here, according to the Euclid's axiom, here when equal subtracted from the equal, the remainder also equal. If you are equal, here BC and BC are the equal, AB is equal to CD. Okay, if equals are subtracted from the equals, we get remainder also equal. Write down the sentence. According to the Euclid's axiom, when equal subtracted from equals, the remainder are also equal. Write down the axiom, Euclid's axiom, when equal subtracted from the equal, the remainder also equal. Here AC plus BC is equal to BC plus CD. Subtract the BC from the equation 1. Subtract BC from equation 1. Where is the equation? In this subtract the BC. Means AB plus BC. Subtract this one minus BC is equal to, and what is there? BC plus CD and minus BC. Okay, here you have to, here C plus BC minus BC cancel, and also here in this also plus BC minus BC will get cancelled. Remaining AB is equal to CD. It is the proof. To prove AB is equal to CD. Okay, I think all of you understood. Here 4th and 5th, 6th problem, they are given in the theorem wise by using the axioms we solved. Okay, solve 7th one. Here write the Euclid's axiom. Here they are given page number 31. In 7th one, why is axiom 5 in the list of Euclid's axiom considered a universal truth? Note that the question is not about the 5th postulate. For that, here you have to consider 5th postulates of Euclid's axiom. Here page number 31 they are given. The whole is greater than the part, right? And you have to solve. Take it homework for 7th month. I think all of you understood exercise 2.1. I solved. Okay, next class I will discuss exercise 2.3. Thank you.